How to add Favicon in WordPress. I am going to show you how you can add Favicon to WordPress. Create a Favicon image that is 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels in size. Save the Favicon image in ico.png or GIF format. Log into your WordPress admin panel. Go to Appearance and then Customize. In the Customizer, look for the Site Identity or Site Identity and Logo option. Click on this option to expand it. Look for the site icon or favicon setting. Click on Select Image or Add Image to upload your favicon image from your computer. If necessary, WordPress may ask you to crop the uploaded image to fit the favicon size requirements. Adjust the cropping as needed and click on the Crop Image or Save and Publish button to save your changes. Visit your website in a new browser tab or window to see the favicon displayed in the Browsers tab or address bar. If you don't see the favicon immediately, clear your browser cache and refresh the page to ensure the updated favicon is loaded. By following these steps, you can easily add a favicon to your WordPress website. It enhances your site's branding and provides a professional touch to your online presence. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.